Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here tap to the lock screen and wallpaper section. After that, tap here to the wallpaper, click allow, and now you can see all the available just default wallpapers and now otherwise. Here on the right upper corner you can see also the wallpaper icon. Click here, and now we can see here our device photos, for example the previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, or just screenshots. And you can select one from these photos if you want, but I'll go with the default just photo. And now just select one from this wallpapers, for example this one. Click here to apply, tap to OK, and we want to set this wallpaper to the lock screen, so click here. We got the message that the wallpaper applied successfully, and now here you can see that we're just the look of new our lock screen wallpaper. So as can you see, that's really simple. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press the home screen with your finger, or just slide with your fingers at the same time to the center, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpapers icon. Click here, and now select one from these wallpapers here. Or just click here to the three icons, and here we can see that this wallpaper applied to the lock screen and that's to the home screen. And now we can, for example, select one from these wallpapers, the live one for example, or just this one. Click here, apply, again lock screen, apply successfully, and you can see that but as well we set one wallpaper on our two screens, to the home and to the lock screen. So as can you see, that's really simple. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.